wish to know where your machines are? You wish to know when to proceed with maintenance? You wish to know how productive your machinery is? Embrace the future with the KUHN T1 Box, the smart solution that connects your agricultural machinery and lets you manage and optimize your productivity by geolocating your machines, creating statistical reports, and planning maintenance. KUHN. Connect to evolution.